What's up, guys? Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing today? Hope you're having a great and wonderful day today. If you're here for the very first time, please smash the subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. All right, guys, I'm back today because I've been having some discussions with some folks in the last few days. They were asking, hey, should I choose Exitus Elite or should I choose Digital Wealth Pros? They both have a call center. What do you think? You know, that type of thing. I am actually an affiliate for both. Okay, so I'll just kind of just give you guys just a brief review, if you will, on both, and you make a decision because I'm actually an affiliate for both of them. And I like them both, to be honest with you. So let's talk about it real quick. The link is in the description, okay? If you go to, I've got this website where I've got all the business opportunities there, www.getpaidfromhome.info. Go check it out. So Exitus Elite, they've been around, I want to say 7 years, okay? So been around a long time. They're both systems, Digital Wealth Pros and Exitus Elite, is digital marketing. They both have digital products that teach you how to make money online. Okay, so let's get that out the way. Now let's look at Exitus Elite. This is a third-party system that I use for Exitus Elite. Okay, same third-party system that I use for Digital Wealth Pros. So this is how this one looks, which really doesn't matter. We want to get to the meat and potatoes, okay, of it. One has 4 income streams. Digital Wealth Pros has 4. Exitus Elite has 5. 100, 250, 500, 1,000. Right, okay. So digital products on both ends, instant pay, you know, that type of thing. All right, so this is the website that we've got here for Exitus Elite, though. This is the one I promote. Okay, has a video here that explains it, a comp plan explanation here, and then here's another webinar presentation, and they have testimonies, and then the 5 products, the Genesis. All right, so let's take a look here real quick. Let's go over these. Like I said, they're both digital products. Okay, teach you how to make money online. So they have the G100, this is Exitus Elite, okay? G100 product, here's all the products that comes with that one. G250, okay? G500, G1000, okay? And G2000, okay? And then we'll talk about how much is it. So let's go look at that real quick also. Hang on one second here. Let's just get that out the way. If you want to join at the G100 level, it's going to be $149. Okay, so pretty much $150. And of course, if you join the G250, you get the G100. All the lower levels are included. Okay, so G250 is going to be, might as well say that's 100, so $350. The G500 is $700. Okay, $199, that's $200, so $700. The G1000 is $299 plus the $1,000, so that's $1,300. The G2000, $399 is really $400, so that's $2,400. You're all in. Now with this one, just like with Digital Wealth Pros, if you join at a lower level and someone comes at the higher level, you still will get the level in which you join. So if you come in at the G100 and you sell a G250 product, you're gonna make 100. The 150 remaining will pass up. Okay, and that's how Digital Wealth Pros is as well. You get paid any way you want, guys. You decide how you want to get paid. Zelle, Venmo, Cash App, credit card, whatever it is. Same scenario. Now, personally, I can say this. I like Exitus Elite's website. Okay, they are very detailed on how they break out everything. For an example, like this right here. We're here I mean, I love the detail of it all. See, this the Genesis here. So the website presentation is awesome. Okay, training, and they break down each product. All that is here. We do know who the owner is, Paul, for Exitus Elite, and we have a Facebook group, and he is in the Facebook group, very active. Okay, so I really do like the website and everything and how they put that together. You have a back office. Everything is included. Capture pages, autoresponder, the whole 9. Okay, similar situation. So they have their own, as well as we have a third-party system you can use, either or. But this comes already loaded with everything that you will need, resources, everything in the back office. Okay, so they do have that here. Okay, and now they recently added a call center as well. Okay, now personally I can't say I have used it or anything like that, but I know they have a phone number that you have to call, and they don't list it like Digital Wealth Pros do. They have everything on their website. Check it out. Hold on a second. So if we go here for the Exitus, there's no phone number here, right? It has your information down here if you use this system. Okay, but there's no number to tell folks, hey, go to this, call this number for the call center. Okay, so that's not listed, but we'll look at the original one. Let's take a look at the actual Exitus. This is the third-party system. Hang on a second. Okay, this is your VSL page that you automatically get with Exitus. Okay, and I don't see a number here. So right there, they don't have the call center number listed. And if you click more info, see, it just goes into what I was just showing you guys. So the 800 number or whatever number it is to call is not listed. Okay, so that's not there, whereas Digital Wealth Pros, it is right there on the screen. Okay, again, a great program, just pointing out what's not visible and what is. All right, so that's what you have. 5 products, $100, $250, $500, $1,000, and $2,000. Okay, instant pay, just like Digital Wealth Pros. All right, so they have a Facebook group. We know who the owner is. Now let's go look at Digital Wealth Pros. Okay, real quick here. Let's take a look. Okay, now this is the third-party system. Okay, but they have the 800 number here. Okay, we've got 4 product levels here: 200, 400, 800, 1500. We talked about that before. It's $297, $497, $997, and $1997. Oh, by the way, with Exitus Elite, they charge you 20% to close the sales for you with their call center. Okay, so just remember that as well. So those are the levels for Digital Wealth Pros. Okay, and then you've got your videos here. All that's wonderful, right? That explains the program. Both of them do a very good job, both systems. Now right here though, again, at the end, it tells you automatically on this right in front of you, the 800 number and the ID of the person that referred you. Okay, so that makes a difference as well. Okay, now of course you guys have seen me talk about this, so I can tell you I've experienced what this is like. I've shown you the emails. I think this was a little more put together in that regard because that's how they built this one, on the fact that they have a call center out the gate. That's what they came out with, whereas Exitus is adding it later. Okay, that wasn't always there when they created Exitus Elite 7 years ago. This is something new they recently added, the call center. Okay, so that's probably why DWP is a little more put together, because that's how it was presented initially, and out the gate this is what it is. We have a call center. Okay, that's what got a lot of people started out the gate. Okay, so that's what you have here. They both have the back office. They both have capture pages, autoresponder, all that's the same. Now they don't have a Facebook group, the company. for Digital Wealth Pros, if that makes a difference to you guys. Just putting that out there. I'm not sure who owns Digital Wealth Pros, but they do have a support team. You can email them and that type of thing. I've gotten responses back from them on that, you know, if you email them. But that's the basics of it. But this is really centered around that call center, and they have really put this together very well, and they've also improved it since they've come out. Okay, so that's my main thing on it. Where am I going to call over here? Okay, where am I calling? Let's go back to it. Hang on a second. Okay, we got all the products, we've got all that, but right here on the sales page, because this is where people are going to land. Where is that? Is it in this video? I don't recall seeing it here.
This Elite provides $1,000.
Let's see. Hang on a second. Okay, no, I just wanted to make sure it wasn't added. I didn't hear it in this video either. Okay, so both have call centers, but I'm not sure which number. I think they gave it to us in the Facebook group, but is it on the website somewhere where the prospects, when we run traffic, mail postcards, is it out front? Okay, where people can actually see that. Okay, but either way, they're both great programs, guys. I just want to put that out there real quick. And I guess if you look at this, excuse me, they start at 200 with DWP. Exitus Elite starts with $100 product, so it'll be $149. But right here, you're looking at 200, so it's going to be $297. But you're going to make $200 versus $100. Okay, so that's how that kind of goes. Okay, now both great programs again, so you just decide which way you want to go. All right. Another thing I forgot to mention, Exitus Elite has the 1-up comp plan. There's no pass-ups with DWP. That's the other main thing. No pass-ups. Exitus Elite does have the 1-up. Your very first sale passes up, okay, to your sponsor, okay? So that's the other thing, no pass-ups. Now, if I forgot to mention also, there is no monthly fees with either one of the programs. There's no yearly fees, okay? One-time investment. Now, another difference between the two, with Exitus Elite, if you want to go from one level to the next, you just pay the difference to upgrade, okay? Whereas with the Digital Wealth Pro system, you have to pay the full amount. So if you're at the $200 level and decide, oh, I want to go to the $400, you have to pay the $497. You won't pay $200, the difference, okay? With Digital Wealth Pros, you pay the full amount to go up to the next level for an upgrade, okay? So those are some major things. You get the 1-up with Exitus, your first sale passes up. With Exitus, if you want to upgrade, you just pay the difference. With Digital Wealth Pros, you pay the full amount, okay? And there are no pass-ups, okay? Those are the major things, okay, that you want to check out. They're both great programs. I'm in both. I'm at the $1,000 level with Exitus. So even if somebody comes in at the $2,000 product, I'm still going to make $1,000. Still a win. I'm good with that. All right. So that's how that works, guys. All right. And either way, if someone comes at a higher level, both of them allow you to at least make what you invested. So you still get that money, but everything else will pass up to your sponsor or whoever's next in line. All right, guys, that's the gist of it. If you have further questions about it, give me a jingle. My info is in the description, but you can go to www.getpaidfromhome.info, and that way you can see both programs. I have all the affiliate programs in that link. All right, guys, so thank you so much for checking out the video. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Either way you go, we're good. I'm going to do your first traffic campaign for you to kickstart your business. All right. Thanks for checking out the video. Be safe out there. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.